Drew from Kia Country. I'm going to teach you how to disconnect the battery, clean the terminals, and then reconnect it. Always take off the negative first. I would adhere some battery cleaner. Let it sit for a second. Take a steel brush. Clean the terminals so they have a good connection. Make sure your battery and your car have a good connection so they can always start. And if you don't, one of these days you're just going to get stuck on the side of the road. Let's do that. Once you're done, positive first, then negative. Now, disclaimer, remember you will have to reset all of your radio stations, but other than that, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or would like more information, please visit us at charlestonkia.com or on Facebook.